Hello everyone, welcome back. Now we are here with our next question. On the x-axis and at a distance x from the origin, the gravitational field due to a mass distribution is given by this equation: ax upon x square plus a square to the whole power 3 by 2 in the x direction. And the magnitude of the gravitational potential on the x-axis at a given distance x, taking its value to be 0 at infinity, is. We have to find the magnitude of the gravitational potential on the x-axis at a distance x. So it's a simple question. I am again giving you 5 seconds to read out this question. I will come to the solution after 5 seconds. Hope you all read this question. Now moving to the solution. It is given in the question that the gravitational field is expressed as ax upon x square plus a square to the whole power 3 by 2. Now we can say that gravitational field is also expressed as minus dv upon dx. So it comes in the form of minus dv upon dx equals to ax upon x square plus a square to the power 3 by 2. Now integrating both the sides, we get integral of dv from 0 to b and integral of ax upon x square plus a square whole 3 by 2 dx from 0 to x. On solving LHS and RHS, we get b equals to a upon x square plus a square to the whole 1 by 2. Now seeing which answers matches our answer. So it is option number 2. Hence we can say that option 2 is the correct answer. Hope you all understood this question well. See you in the next question.